when Johnny Depp took over for Tom Cruise after he was denied the role of Donnie Brasco for this reason. Tom Cruise and Johnny Depp, two top Hollywood A-listers, are continually making headlines for one reason or another. Tom Cruise is well known for his daring characteristics, good appearance, and acting abilities. Depp, on the other hand, is well known for his distinct acting style as well as his contentious personal issues. Yet, did you know that Tom Cruise was offered the role of Donnie Brasco, but it was eventually taken by Johnny Depp? That's correct. Read on to find out why. Top Gun: Maverick's fame has contributed to several successful series, like Top Gun, Mission Impossible, and others, but no one knew how Tom missed out on a role in the crime film Donnie Brasco. According to MovieWeb, Tom Cruise was the frontrunner for the role of Donnie Brasco in the 1997 murder film Donnie Brasco. Nevertheless, due to schedule issues, Tom was unable to accept the offer and therefore missed out on the opportunity to be a part of such a large undertaking. The character was then given to Johnny Depp, who received widespread critical acclaim for his flawless performance. One of the film's highlights was Johnny Depp's chemistry with Al Pacino. Tom Cruise, on the other hand, went on and did Eyes Wide Shut. Even though anyone who has seen Donnie Brasco may never believe that anyone other than Johnny could have done justice to the character, but it would have been different if it had been done from Tom Cruise's point of view. Donnie Brasco is a riveting crime drama based on the true story of FBI agent Joseph Pistone's infiltration of the mafia under the nickname Donnie Brasco. Mike Newell's direction was positively received by the crowd. Donnie Brasco now streams on Netflix if you would like to watch. Let us know your thoughts if Tom Cruise played the role of Donnie Brasco instead of Johnny Depp.